That's me squeezing my big fat foot into my tiny little shoe because today we're going to Barclay Lake, which is in the Central Cascade mountain range of Washington. I decided to bring my Ricohflex camera, which I have never shot before. The leatherette is ripped off the front because I tried to fix it at some point. And that's my dog Celeste, for scale. There's this annoying glitch where whenever you look left, it looks right, and whenever you look right, it looks left. Hopefully they can fix that in a firmware update. My wife Nicole crocheted me this pouch for my film. That's her, right there. Besides our dog Celeste, my wife also brought along her friend Rachel to join us on the hike.
Moss is a great filtration.
Whoa, look at how green that wood is right there. That one's like light green. Alright.
There's another one, you hear it?
Let me see if I can nail focus here. I've never shot with this thing before. I guess I'll focus on the stick. Okay, we're gonna cock the shutter. Oh boy, my first shot. So this double exposure is actually a reoccurring issue that you'll see on other photos. That was not right.
Uh-oh.
Oh boy.
What happened?
For some reason, when I took the picture, it like held open for a while, which I feel like at a 60th of a second, it shouldn't really hold open that much. It was like, psk, so that shot could be really overexposed. And it could be really blurry too, because if it was longer exposure, that means I like moved it during it, so we'll see.
I'm recording, baby.
Oh yeah. Chunky, crunky. Doesn't feel great advancing the film because I think I loaded it wrong. There are a few photos throughout this film where I accidentally double exposed it myself. But most of the time I actually advanced the film, and for some reason it was still double exposed. So I think there's actually an issue with the film advance itself on the Ricohflex. It's like a 100-year-old camera, so I don't know. It's I may have to crack it back open and do some more work on it. Look at this. Oh no, the sun's going away! Ah! No! Oh no! No! Come back. It's gone. That's it. Oh well. I deeply hate all these mushrooms. They give me trypophobia. And this is like a dog that somebody made out of a log. You see it? The eyes and the teeth. We're gonna do the shutter. Gotta do the shutter release, and here we go. Let me make sure it's framed right. Here's a rather egregious double exposure. Some of them are cool though.
What do you think?
I think it worked.
Nice.
I think. I mean, it was so quiet, you know what I mean?
Mountain.
And I gotta advance the film. Oh, here, get a shot of this.
Okay.
Oh God, I hope this thing is working.
You shall be heard.
This double exposure was on me. It was supposed to be one of my wife, one of the mountain. I love this photo, especially the colors. That seemed like a 60th of a second, so I think it got messed up before.
Say that again?
What, did I keep forgetting to advance the film?
Yes.
I did. That's why there's a double exposure in there. What are you doing? Can I get a photo of you, little one? No? Alright. That's fine. I'd like to be in the back of the line, please. The shot from behind will not be flattering. It's gonna look like somebody squeezed a bunch of biscuits into something.
She was
But
cold.
like then for some reason the butt will be awkwardly flat. No, that's too close. Nicole took this picture. I didn't expect there to be swirly bokeh. Or is it bouquet? I like this picture. These are cherry blossoms outside my house. How the heck did this double expose the same exact image? I don't understand that. About a week later, we were going to head down to Oregon to do an instant photo walk that was actually hosted by a YouTuber. It's like a tour of Portland, but just using instant photography. We can't take Celeste on this journey, so Unfortunately, we gotta say goodbye. This is all the camera gear I'm bringing, along with clothes if you need that sort of thing. This is my instant camera I'm taking, but this video ain't about that. What do you think we are, some kind of monster? Of course we're taking her with us. There's Mount Rainier. It's pretty big. We were going to be staying at this cute little B&B in the St. John's area of Portland, Oregon. See if I can do this correctly. Okay. If I can get it in there. There we go. This roll was really hard to spool. Mainly user error, and it took way longer than it should have, so I cut a lot of that out. That was the hardest freaking roll ever. They're usually not that hard. Okay. I gotta be gentle with it because I'm afraid it's gonna slip off. It's still kind of slipping. Okay. Oh, okay, I think we got it. Alright. Okay. These two dots here, we gotta line up this arrow with those. Also, not crumpled like the first one, so first one could have warps in it. Okay, we gotta latch this. Just gotta lock it. Okay, now we gotta spin this until we reach, there's a little number indicator there, until we reach 1. It didn't feel chunky like the first roll did. I think it's because it actually was rolled correctly this time. We decided to make our way into downtown Portland, simply just to explore and try and take some photos. That's it. I think I got it? I don't know.
You think you did?
I think I got it.
Hi.
Oh,
Advance.
let's freaking advance the film. I always forget to do it. Okay, that dude over there in the hat looks exactly like the actor Jeffrey Rush. Like, I don't expect you to totally know who that is, but I should put up like a picture side by side and be like, because I think that's him. You'll see the photo later and you'll be like, oh, I see it. I'm not sure how this one happened. I only took one photo. This place is pretty cool. It's a restaurant and also has an indoor mini golf course. It was created by a local artist in the Portland area. Go straight down the track. Looks like not straight down the track. Well, if I get to the end, I gotta get to the end. I'll use my hand a little bit here and guide it. Exactly as intended. Hole in one, perfect shot.
Yep. Look at this. Oh.
Ooh. Hey! Later in the night, I wanted to head into town to do some photography. I'm gonna do a 25th. I think a 25th of a second at 3.5. I'm not metering this with the light meter. I'm just gonna try to kind of eyeball this thing. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I forgot to put the shutter. Dang it. Oh, freak. That was gonna be good. Dang it. Oh well, get another shot. Okay, focus it one more time. 3, 2, 1. Cool, it worked. Yeah, I was nervous it wasn't gonna work. Did I advance that roll? Did I advance after that?
I think you did.
Did I? Got it. I'm always checking the shutter just to make sure that it's closed. When we got back, we had an extremely intense game of Jenga. I don't know if we were playing it right. Can you do that, Allie? but we also got the giggles quite a bit. Destructive. When we got back, we found the guest book, and someone had drawn in some plans for how the Storm Clan would beat the Sky Clan. There were multiple backups. That's our stuff right there. The next day was the photo walk, the entire reason we came to Portland. This is the only footage I actually have of the photo walk. I decided not to film it because I thought this is not an instant photography video, it's a twin lens reflex. Before leaving to go home, this old dog wandered into our house and started eating all of Celeste's food. Let's undo this. Oh, I forgot. I got a strap while I was here for it when we were doing the photo walk. It just exposes. Okay, and now you gotta do one of these. You gotta go, and then we go, like that. Probably not gonna focus. That's super.
It is.
Oh, it is so dang. Alright. We decided to take White Pass home, so everything you see here is actually just Washington State. None of this is Oregon. We went through about 10 different kinds of weather, all within the span of about 8 hours. We had to stop to go to the bathroom. All of us. We stopped here for a brief moment so Nicole could get a coffee. I just enjoyed the rain.
Can't see anything.
Why can't you see anything?
No.
Lighten it.
No, like I can't
What?
see on the screen.
Oh.
My hands are freezing. Hurry up. Beautiful.
It is cool. That's pretty. Okay, time for this.
What? Oh.
No, don't film me using it! This is a twin lens video, not an instant video. Oh, I do have to do this. I do have to do this. No, the sun!
Oh no!
No, why does this always happen to me? It's the worst day ever. Worst day ever.
Oh, I did something.
I'm not letting you touch your camera after this. You don't know how to use
It's
it.
red!
You don't want to learn how to use it.
It's red!
Let me see it. No, let me see this.
Okay, it's not red.
We're just gonna aim and hope for the best.
Okay.
Here we go. 3, I'm in. 3, 2, 1. Well, let's hope it turned out. I think this double exposure actually looks pretty cool. Drive when you're going this way through Washington, so we decided to stop and get a bite to eat. Okay, 25th of a second at 3.5. We're going to infinity focus. It's interesting how this film perceives blue sometimes. I got it! Advance the film! Don't have to forget. Oddly enough, I actually have an instant photography video coming out about us shooting instant film in Leavenworth. Look at the broader Linden. The D light on the shift knob or whatever you call it. The D light is way too bright. The brindle. It's so bright. So here's something weird. It's clearly snowing right now, like a lot. But what makes no sense is, oh, we're hitting the snow right now. What makes no sense is the windshield is completely dry. Somehow nothing's on the windshield. I kid you not. The windshield is totally dry.